Research suggests that millions of lives could be saved every year if people ate more potassium-rich foods such as bananas and cut down on their salt intake. People who have a high potassium intake have a 24% reduced risk of stroke according to a new study. High potassium intake is not recommended if you have chronic kidney disease. Potassium is an electrolyte like sodium, calcium, magnesium, and many others essential micronutrients for healthy life. Potassium is the third most abundant mineral in the body. When it is dissolved in water, it produces positively charged ions or ions. Ions or ions are atoms or molecules with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain of one or more electrons. This specific property allows it to conduct electricity, which is important for many processes throughout the body. Females between the ages of 14 and 18 who are pregnant should aim for 2,600 milligrams of potassium per day. Those who are lactating should aim for 2,500 milligrams of potassium per day. Females between the ages of 19 and 50 who are pregnant should aim for 2,900 milligrams of potassium per day. Those who are lactating should aim for 2,800 milligrams of potassium per day. What does potassium do in the body? It regulates fluid balance, helps muscle contractions and nerve signals. High potassium diet helps reduce blood pressure and water retention, protects against stroke, prevents osteoporosis, prevents kidney stones. Potassium is mainly found in cells and about 80% in your muscles and the rest in bones, liver and red blood cells. In the red blood cells, rhythmic potassium transport regulates the circadian clock. Recent studies suggest that the measurement of intracellular potassium concentration in red blood cells, that is RBCK, can be a marker for assessing the risk, development and treatment of high blood pressure. Now, what are the heart healthy benefits of potassium? Potassium helps the heartbeat to be regular. Both potassium and sodium concentrations play a crucial role in electric signal functioning of the heart's thick muscle called myocardium. It helps trigger your heart to squeeze blood through your body. It also helps your muscles to move, your nerves to work, and your kidneys to filter blood. If the potassium level is high in the myocardium, that can lead to irregular heart rate, and your skeletal muscles can lead to paralysis. Low potassium levels also give irregular heartbeats, can have heart attack or sudden cardiac arrest. If you want to lose sodium from your body, you should eat more potassium. Potassium helps to ease tension in your blood vessel walls, resulting in reducing peripheral resistance of the arteries, helps to lower your blood pressure. So, when you have high blood pressure, you should eat foods containing high potassium levels. DASH diet. This refers to dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Is recommended for high blood pressure. The diet recommends fruits, veggies, low-fat dairy foods and fish. They are all natural sources of potassium. A medium banana has about 420 milligrams of potassium, and half a cup of plain mashed potatoes has 475 milligrams. Other potassium-rich foods include apricots and apricot juice, avocados, cantaloupes and honeydew melon, fat-free or low-fat 1% milk, fat-free yogurt, grapefruit and grapefruit juice. Talk to your healthcare provider if you are taking a cholesterol-lowering drug. Greens, halibut, lima beans, molasses, mushrooms, oranges, and orange juice, peas. Potatoes, prunes and prune juice, raisins and dates, spinach, tomatoes, tomato juice and tomato sauce, tuna. Potatoes we all eat almost daily in our rice and curry are high in potassium, but you can lower their potassium levels enough to safely by adding a small portion to your kidney-friendly diet. Potassium can be removed partially from potatoes by soaking in warm water for about 2 hours, which pulls the potassium out. Then wash the potato slices with warm water and then will be ready for cooking. Too much taking potassium in your food may be harmful if your kidneys don't function well. Excess potassium in your blood may not be filtered through the kidneys, resulting in a potassium buildup. We call it hyperkalemia. It is also known that chronic constipation can raise your potassium level. When your kidneys are working well, they can remove any extra potassium from your blood. Generally, there are no warning signs for hyperkalemia. High potassium may not give early symptoms. Late symptoms are feeling sick in the stomach, a low, weak or irregular pulse and fainting bouts. If you ever get these symptoms, get your doctor to check on your blood potassium level. Your doctor will assess your diet for potassium, check for other reasons for hyperkalemia. If you are on spironolactone or ACE inhibitors, you may need to avoid eating too much potassium. If you have chronic kidney disease, you may need to avoid eating too much of potassium, which includes alcohol, red wine, coffee, caffeine, black tea, pomegranate juice, CoQ10, B vitamins, magnesium, olive oil, dark chocolates. Stick to low potassium foods. 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day is considered high in potassium and could raise your blood potassium level. Adding creamers or milk can further raise your coffee's potassium content. Drinking less than 3 cups are safe. Each cup of coffee provides 130 milligrams of potassium. Caffeine found in coffee, tea, soda, and foods can also place a strain if you have bad kidneys. Excess caffeine intake has also been linked to kidney stones. Potassium strengthens your bones and prevents osteoporosis. Eating meat products and dairy encourages acidity in the body and may make your bones brittle and cause osteoporosis. Eat plenty of potassium-rich foods like fruits and veggies. This talk discusses the importance of maintaining a normal level of potassium in your body by eating foods that contain potassium. So think of your potassium as much as you concentrate on your cholesterol to keep your heart healthy. Stay safe and goodbye for now.